Jessica is the tree topper guest this year. Let's see.
Sorry.
Because
That was way too weird. Because my.
Let's see how she does.
I was like, because my older sister is in California and it's her turn next year. I took her turn this year because she'll be home for Christmas next year. Hopefully.
Nice job. Taking one for the team.
Yeah.
Rose switched the.
Okay, I'm gonna do it this way because he's got
One at a time?
tail. Mom switched the tree toppers, so
Yes.
I've never done this before.
Since we moved to the apartment, Rose.
Mom thinks it's
Dang.
gonna work and it's not.
She said it worked last year.
Yep.
We
You
did
got
not
this.
put these on top last year.
Go ahead.
I don't remember.
We did not have
not.
these on
Mom said it.
We didn't do these. We had the angel on the top. You're
That-
crazy.
By the way, my
Set
phone
him
is
up
like
there. He
2%.
just needs to be sat right
All
next
What?
to the
All right.
branches.
Can't be 2%.
Mom.
Okay. You got
We
this.
didn't ever do this.
Do it.
We didn't ever do
Let me
this.
see.
They're way too heavy. They're way too top heavy. Yes, because look, they're gonna go like this and then they go.
That's why they sit in there.
They sit in a little pocket.
And
Up
if
there.
you can only do one, then do one.
You're doing awesome, Jess. I believe in you.
That's why the branches were bent.
Oh, see? Yeah, push them around.
Oh,
See? Hug them.
Yeah.
Hug them with the branch.
I'm trying.
See? Cute. One.
I don't
Two.
like
The
this.
other one has
I
a
wanna
big
do the
double
angel.
branch.
The other
Do
one's
it.
gonna fall off while you're doing that one.
No, it ain't.
I want to do the.
Okay, here we go.
They
Hey,
Make sure you towards the front a little bit.
I can't.
Rose likes the snowman theme,
I don't.
obviously.
I wish.
Oh boy.
It's not gonna work.
Oh boy.
Okay.
Because she doesn't want it.
No, because Christmas is about Jesus, not snowman.
It is.
Mom.
That's why we have a big Jesus stocking right
Stocking right here.
Go back and
Jesus
see if
stocking.
the viewers can find the Jesus stocking.
Right here.
Right in the very
Right.
front.
Okay, Dad stepped in, and as you can see, secured a little branch around this guy's arm and this guy. They're pretty sturdy. I'm thinking it's pretty good. And of course, we have various snowmen here and there. A few years ago, we switched to a all snowman tree. And then we have other special ornaments that we use, such as this. There's Jessica's. And me. And of course, Jessie again. And Jennifer peeking behind the thing there. And Nicole right there. And unfortunately, Rose's broke. We have to make her a new one. We need to make that this year. This is a special one Jessie made. Her teacher passed away in the 6th grade, which was how many years ago? 5 years ago. And kids made ornaments. So here's the tree. We're all set. Here's our plant that my mom gave us. So if my mom's watching the video, it is still alive. Okay, so now we're gonna put the train together, and that goes under the tree. Normally we put it up inside the tree, but I think this year we're gonna try it on the ground because that's just that's how we roll. We change things up once in a while. So here is the track down here. Just gonna do like half of it. How many are there? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now we're gonna put 4 of these together. Put that under here. Boom. And then now we're going to put 4 more together. This is awesome. Hope you guys are having a wonderful time up until getting your shopping done and stuff and whatnot, helping people. Okay, this is going to go under here. And now, I think what we'll do is just the presents that go under here, we'll just make Jenny will probably love to make a village or something, right, Jenny?
No.
Jeez. Come on. Where's the spirit? All right, I gotta click it back here. Oh, we're putting the train under the tree. It's looking good. Right, Jen?
Sure.
Yeah. Oh. Is it? There we go. Okay. Train. Boom. How long do you think we've had this train, Jenny?
A year, 2 years.
That's it? Yeah, it's only been a few. We just started the train bit. Whoops. That just broke. Alright, so here's the train. This sounds great. What happened, Jenny? Where's this plugged to? Right here?
Yep.
Boom. That there. This goes on the track.
We forgot the other part.
The other part of the train?
Yeah.
I know, it's
We
over
forgot
here.
the caboose.
The caboose. Okay. Oh no. Come on, don't fail us. Here's the caboose. Goes here. Alright, you guys are going to see the live testing. Oh, this branch is in the way. Live testing of the... Come over here.
Does it have batteries in it?
Yeah. So better. Now we push this piece here. Yep, pretty irritating. But, oh, yeah. See if it can make one full loop. That's nice.